Okay guys, I did a video a couple of weeks ago. I called it Gain and Expo Settings. We talked a lot about the gain settings. You can go back and watch that. And this is for the DJI M30T. However, these settings will be applicable to the M4TD as well. So I'm going to post this one video for both courses. So basically the Expo settings, these are your, what I call your fine-tuned or your micro movements with the control stick, okay? So I'm going to try to single-hand this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to use my phone and the drone at the same time, kind of showing you on this deer. We're going to go to the three dots in the top right-hand part of the screen. You'll be under Flight Settings. You'll scroll down until you get to Gain and Expo Tuning. And then, remember we talked about our gain settings. We're going to go down till we get to Expo. And these will, in default, be somewhere around here. You'll have this graph. It'll kind of give you a curve on what's happening, your X and Y axis. You'll have your pitch and roll, which will be controlled by the right joystick. And you'll have your yaw, which is your left joystick. And then you'll have your up and down, kind of your speed. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to show you with use my phone to kind of show you how I'm touching the control stick, because these settings are not for if you just grab the control stick and take it all the way one side or the other. That's not what these are. That is your gain. That's your gain. That's all your gain settings. Remember, I want those to be a little bit on the faster side. Well, when I'm zoomed into this deer, I want them to be slower. So what we're going to do is go in there, and I'm going to take my pitch roll, and I'm going to take it all the way to the lowest setting. And watch, when I barely move this stick to the right, you see that drone's just barely creeping. That's what I want. This is for when I'm zoomed in and I'm trying to get around like this little bush or something. I don't want the drone just swinging. Now, let's take it to the max setting. Hope you guys can see this. I'm going to move my hand just to see it, just barely move it, and it takes off. So we don't want that. I want it for my gain settings, but I do not want it for my Expo. So I'm going to go ahead and take this back down to 0, so that when I get zoomed in on a deer, it's just barely moving. Got me? Now we're going to do the same thing for yaw. Remember, yaw is going to be the left-hand stick. So we're going to take it all the way down to 0. And when I go to pan around, it's barely moving. We're going to take it back to, high yaw speed, and you're going to barely move it, and it's just going to take off. And that's also going to work the same. Bring that back to 0 for ascending and descending. So you go to high speed. Again, when I'm doing these, when I get zoomed in and I'm really focusing on the Expo part of this, I want this thing to, when I barely touch the control stick, I just want it to have little small micro movements so I can get on that deer better. Anyway, guys, hope this helps. Hope you guys are enjoying this series, and hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It helps my channel out. Greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.